Okay, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Today we're learning about airplanes.
Yeah, we are. Also, I have my brother with me today. His name is Matthew. And we're going to talk about airplanes. Matthew, you talk about your airplane first. Okay?
My airplane has
wings.
It has wings and it has windows
And it has two floors.
And it has two floors.
My aeroplane has two floors and it's the biggest one. When I become a pilot, I'm going to ride this plane. And my brother's plane is from Malaysia, but it's a jumbo jet. Okay, so these are the back wings, and these four fins are the engines. This is the whole body. It had 2 layers.
Oh, there's also engine.
The tail, wings. Now we are finished. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay?
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and do the like button.
Bye.